If you can stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a meta pixel with your seller store. So you don't need to run ad blindly. As you know, the best way to run ad is to use seller pixel. So Facebook can actually find you the right customer that can actually buy what you are selling or what you are promoting. Setting up pixel properly will help Facebook to look for the right customer that will actually buy your product. This is how this thing works. So every comment on Facebook are being watched by Facebook automation. Everything that you are showing interest about, everything that you are watching, the kind of Facebook account you are followed, the kind of Facebook page you are followed, the kind of video that you are watching, okay, everyone on Facebook is being monitored. That is why if you comment a rubbish comment, you see that Facebook will actually take that comment and maybe warn you or take down your account. So everything you are doing is being monitored by their automation system. Here is the best part of this thing. If someone like how to make money video and the person is watching the video constantly from different accounts, and I actually run ad on how to make money online, and I set up my Facebook preset with my target audience, Facebook will most likely send my ad to that person. If someone is into automobile and I'm running Facebook and Instagram ad about cars, about all these things, Facebook will send my video to the person or my ad to the person, because you know that that is the interest that the person is showing online. Okay, the person is showing online on video or on videos about cars, about house, whatever this thing is working on. That's why it is good to set up a Facebook meta pixel. Now, but before this time, you will have know how to create your ad account. You will have know how to set up your Facebook business account. So we are not going to go through all those things. So today we are going to set it up. Then we will run Facebook and Instagram ad. It's that simple. It's very, very simple, and it is easy to do. So all you have to do is to come to these all tools that is here. Once you press all tools, this is all the bunch of tools that are available in Meta business account. Now let me tell you something. If you actually want to do this on your phone, you may actually need to uninstall your Facebook account. Yes, you may need to uninstall your Facebook account and then remove it totally. So when you are done with the setup, you can install your Facebook account and then log in, because most of the time it will actually take you to Facebook, which is very, very stressful. Okay, it's very, very stressful. But once you don't have Facebook app on your phone, it will work perfectly. So it will not direct you back to Facebook account to do whatever. So I'm just going to press on Event Manager, because that's where we are going. So it's loading on Event Manager. So make sure that you are on your ad account, not your Facebook profile. Okay, your ad account. Okay, your business ad account. So you press on Connect. If you are on your Facebook account that Facebook will give you as a business profile, it will not work. Okay, it's not going to work on your Facebook business account with your ad account. You press on Web. You press on Next. So you can just give it a name. Let me say Seller Pixel. Let me just put it name that way, Seller Pixel. So let me put it that way. As for category, don't pick anything, just leave it there. Okay, just leave it there. We press on Create. Okay, we press on Create, and we are going to wait for it to load. All right, so it is loading now. We are just going to go with set up a meta pixel. So we are going to go with add meta pixel code to your website yourself. Okay, I'm going to press on Next. So we are just going to press on Next. We just put it there. Okay, because we don't actually need it. We don't actually need it. It's very easy to do. I mean, it's very easy to do when it comes to seller. Very, very easy. It is not stressful. So let me refresh my account whether we successfully create one. So you can see that I've created one here. I've created one. So you can see all I have to do now is to copy this my ID. This is the ID that I want to copy. Okay, I'm going to copy it, and I'll go to my seller account. So once I go to my seller account, I'll press on this place. I will scroll down where there's the integration. I'll press on integration, and you will see Facebook pieces and their conversion API. So I'm going to talk about this conversion API later in the day. So I'll press on that. So they will ask me to put my Facebook pixel ID. I will drop it there, and I'll press on update. Okay, just leave the enable conversion this thing. So it says success. Pixel setting updated. Okay, be sure to test it if the pixel is installed. So let's go and actually test it. if it is working. For now, I don't actually have any products on my account. Let me go and upload one product. Okay, so let me just upload one. Sorry for that. This is a new account. The one that I do before, I've actually updated. So I've actually updated. Let me just go and find one thing upload. Okay, so operation browse file, and I will look for. Let me just look for this thing. Okay, let me look for this one. Let me look for this one. Okay, let me look for this one. So successfully upload. I will mark this and I will select. Okay, let me just put it here. Let me just put it there. Digital marketing masterclass. Okay, masterclass. So I'll put price. Let me just put it 5,000. Okay, 5,000 naira. Just put it this way. Digital marketing masterclass. Put name. Put name. Okay, input name. I'll select my category. I'll say wealth and finance. Subcategory. I'll say personal. Okay, so I'll select upload. I'll go to upload side, and I'll go and find something to upload actually, because I'm not here to upload the actual price, actual product. So okay, let me upload this one. All right, let me upload that one. This is my certificate for my program. I'll select it and I will send. Okay, so it is okay now. I'm just going to press on create product. So after I create products, let's see. Okay, my product is successfully created. So press on our pixel test event, and I will press on website. Okay, press on website, press on confirm website. So I'm just going to go to my account URL. Okay, my account URL. This is my account. I'll copy it and I'll come back to that place. It shows a page view. So let's go back and make some access. Okay, let's go back and go to products. Okay, let me say all products. I'll press on this one. I'll press on this one and I'll press on view page. So our goal is to make sure that he's tracking us. I press on buy now. I'll press on checkout. Okay, I press on checkout. I'll click on this. So I'm just going to press all those one. So let's go back. Let's go back and see, maybe it's tracking. You can see initial checkout, add to cart, subscribe automatically, view page, view content. You can see all these things are being tracked. Whatever that happened on my page will be tagged automatically. So now that you're here, I'll show you how to set it up. Let's go and set up our ad. Let's go and set up our ad, and we are good to go. So later in the day, I'm going to talk about this conversion API because I think it is very good based on my recent research. So many people talk about it and they claim to make the thing work very well, but actually it may charge money less. Basically, just going to focus on the information data that is sharing. So how many people that is coming, how many people that is going out, the kind of people that are converted. It's going to focus on it actually. So and there is a deep connection between him and the pixel to work perfectly for advertisers. So maybe next week, maybe next video, I'm going to talk about it so you can see very well. So I'm just going to press on create. So this is my objective. I'm going to press on traffic because we want to send people to my seller account. I want them to buy from my seller account. So I'm just going to press on continue traffic. I'm sending them to there. So I'll press on manual campaign. I'll press on manual. I'm not going with the recommended, so I can have to set it up by myself. It's very, very easy. So if you don't know how to set up the Facebook profile business, you can just go and check it out. So let me just put it that way. Facebook pixel. So I'm not going to talk anything here. So I'm not going to check anything here. So let me just put on campaign budget. Okay, so let me put on campaign budget. I can just put 3,000 naira. So bad. I can just put 3,000 naira as my daily money that I actually wanted to pay. I will press next. Now, before you do all these things that I'm saying, make sure that you have money in your account. Okay, it's very, very, very compulsory because without money, you are not going to run any ad. And without setting up your Facebook business profile, you will not be able to create ad account, chocolates of doing all these things that you are doing. So if you want to learn how to create all those things, I will leave the video in the description below. You can just go and watch and do what you need to do. So I'm just going to press on websites. Okay, I'm going to press on websites. I'm going to press on maximize landing page link. Okay, now the landing page view. So I'm just going to press it on it. I'm going to press it on it. I'm going to go down to pick the age that I want. Okay, the page that I want to actually see my product. I can set from 20 to 45. So age, I can press it. If my product is for woman, I'm just going to press on woman alone. If our product is for men, I'm going to press on men alone. But this product that I'm promoting is for both men and women, so I'm just going to press it on all. Okay, here is where we find interest. If you want to search interest, you can just let me what I'm promoting it. I can just say make money. Okay, make money online. This thing may not be there. Okay, may not be here. So you can see they are not here. This interest people are not here. This interest people are not here. Okay, make money, they are not here. Can just let me just pick artificial intelligence. Okay, you can see the people that are interested in artificial AI. I can just pick that one. Or sometimes I just like to, sometimes I just like to target broad. Okay, I just like to target broad. Sometimes I also like to target broad. I'm going to press on some more. I'll press on some more. So I'm just going to put this one on a manual placement. Okay, you can see um placement value account control. I'm going to place it on manual placement because I don't want my ad to be everywhere, so it won't burn my money. All right, so I'm going to press on. I will remove I will remove uh, audience network. I will remove messenger. I can just leave it there actually, but anyhow I can just leave it. But according to statistics online, Facebook and Instagram convert eligibles and the quality lead than the ODS network, which will show your ad outside of Facebook and Instagram and the messenger. Okay, so I'm just going to remove that audience network. I can just leave the messenger open because I just leave the messenger open, and we leave thread also. Okay, because people are actually on thread now and they are doing well. Okay, so I'm good to go. So next thing I can just decide to target a I can decide to target Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, this is Lagos, Nigeria. And you can by this way you can target another place, Abuja, you can target Kano, you can target any place in Nigeria. So I'm going to go back with that Lagos, Nigeria. I'm going to continue. So I think I've removed the audience network. I'm just going to press on continue. So the first thing we are going to do is to make sure we bring our URL. Okay, you go to your website, you go to your your seller account, you go to your seller account, you press on store link, copy this very one. This is the very one that I want to copy. You copy it. You just have to paste our website link into this place that says website URL. Okay, so I'm talking about our store. Okay, our store link. So the next thing now is to go and upload the image or video that you want to use. Okay, you say and upload the video that you want to use. You just put it on none of that. Okay, add creative, set up a creative. I'll press on image. So I want to use image for these things. So I'm just going to press on image. I'll put one of the image that I have on my phone. I'll put this one. I'll press next. It is good though if you have a laptop. I highly recommend having a laptop if you are setting up this thing. You will have a best views, it will be easy to navigate, it won't stress you. Okay, so I highly recommend. So if you come to here, primary text, your headline, your description, and you have no idea the kind of thing that you should write that will convert a lot of customer for you or convert a lot of clients for you. Go back to ChatGPT, tell about the product that you want to promote or the services that you want to promote, and ask ChatGPT to help you write the primary text or the headline, and the primary text, the headline, and the description. Most of the time, the description I don't use it, but it is important to go through it since they put it here. That means it is important. So and ChatGPT is going to help you write this thing. You just have to copy them, copy the primary text, paste it here, copy the headline, paste it there, copy the description, paste it here, and you are good to go. So all you have to do, I'm just going to put some any out in there. I'm just going to put any out in there. So let me just put something there. Just going to put something there. Okay. So I leave that one there. So it won't give me error. Okay. Call to action. I can just say shop now. I can just say shop now. I can say learn more. Okay. I can say learn more. I can say learn more. I can say order now. Most people are using learn more. They're using learn more because people will have to read. Okay. I'm just going to press on next. I'm going to press on next. Seeing this campaign score, you can see that my own is actually poor. Now what really happened is that the first video that I'm created, it got interrupted. So the one that I'm using to create this one now, I did not set it up from the beginning. Okay, that's why it look like that. So make sure your own is above 80 or 85 to 100. Okay, so make sure the score, so if you set it up very well, it's not going to give you any issue. Okay, so it's not going to give you any issue. That one shows that your setting up is actually good for more conversion. So you just have to check everything that you have here. Maybe it is working, maybe it is not working. Okay, just have to put it there, and once you know that it's working, just have to press on publish, and Meta is going to review your ad. For a moment, they're going to review your ad. You can see everything where my ad will be located. Okay, they're going to review your ad, and after that one, they are going to approve or disapprove. So that is how to set up a meta pixel. So if you want to know how to sell a product without creating it, you can contact us. We have a reselling program that is going up whereby we give you access to our products, and they will give you the legal documents that give you right to sell it to anybody. And the most interesting part of this thing is that you will keep the 100% of the earning. So it is not like affiliate marketing. It just that we give you right to sell it. You cannot claim the ownership. You can only resell it and make money from it. So that will be all for now. If you feel like you want to apply, I'll put the link in the description below. You can apply through there. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and as always, my name is Mike. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.